In a previous video, we did this division: 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 5 divided by x minus 3. Right? And what we got as the answer was 2x squared minus x minus 3, remainder negative 4. Let's do it now using what is called the synthetic division. So what you do, you make a little table. You have x cubed. Since the dividend starts with x cubed, the highest power is x cubed, you're going to have something that matches with x squared, and with x to the 1, and with x to the 0. Good. So let me start drawing my table here. So what happened here now is this. The numbers that multiply each of these, 2 multiplies x cubed, so I write 2 under the x cubed. Negative 7 will multiply x squared, so I write negative 7 here. 5 will multiply, alright, there's no x to the 1, no x here, because it's really 0x, 0 times x, but it's not written. So it's 0, but that multiplies x to the 1. 5 will multiply x to the 0. So this 5, is 5 by 1. But 1 is really x to the 0. X to the 0 is 1. So you can say it's 5 times x to the 0. So it is 5 that multiplies x to the 0 there. Alright, synthetic division. Here, you have x minus 3 equals 0. If you equate the divisor to 0 and solve for x, you're going to get x is equal to 3. So you're going to be using 3 here. What you do is bring down 2, right? Now, here, this 2 will be under here. You bring 2 under the negative 7. Let me erase this. Don't want it to look too confusing. You bring 2 under the negative 7. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So this is going to be first item here. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Now, let's rewrite the negative 7, the 0 and the 5, and put the 6 under here and add everything. Negative 7 plus 1, no, negative 7 plus 6 is negative 1. 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 0, 5. Alright. So what you have here is going to be negative 1. That will match with the x squared part. Alright. Now, 3 times negative 1 is what? 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. And so what you do here, remember the steps. You bring 2 under x squared. 3 by 2 is equal to 6. And you say, let me put it here, and you say negative 7 plus 6 is equal to negative 1. Right? Negative 1 will multiply x, and then negative 1 or 3 by negative 1 is equal to negative 3. 0 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 3. 0 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 3. Negative 3 will multiply x to the 0. This was x to the 1. This will be x to the 0. Now, here, 3 times negative 3 is equal to negative 9. You bring down negative 9 under the x to the 0. And you add the 5 to the negative 9 to get negative 4. Now there's nothing more there to multiply and add and so on to keep repeating the process. So you're finished here. So negative 9, not negative 9, 5 plus negative 9 is equal to negative 4. Alright, so let's see what happened here. We have 2 is going to multiply x squared. 2 will multiply x squared. Negative 1 will multiply x to the 1. Negative 3 will multiply x to the 0. And the remainder is going to be negative 4. What was it? Negative 4? Right, negative 4. So what you really have is this as the answer. You have 2 multiply the x squared. So you will have 2 x squared. Then negative 1 will multiply x to the 1. You have negative x to the 1. And you have negative 3 will multiply x to the 0. So it's negative 3. And the remainder is negative 4. So let's compare it with what we had before. 2x squared minus x minus 3. 2x squared minus x minus 3. Remainder negative 4. Remainder negative 4. Right. So that's what they call the synthetic division. Alright. So that's it for now for this video. I'll see you in the next video.